You just closed a massive, highly profitable Forex trade. The numbers on your screen are flashing green, and the hard work has finally paid off. But the moment you try to access that capital, your momentum comes to a halt. If you use a traditional bank wire, your profit doesn't go straight to your pocket. Instead, you wait. 3 to 5 business days pass, while banks slowly process the international transfer through their legacy systems. This chart compares a standard $1,000 withdrawal. On the left, a traditional bank wire slices off $40 in arbitrary fixed fees. On the right, a crypto network fee barely leaves a scratch, costing around a single dollar. The traditional banking infrastructure imposes a tax on your success. It relies on archaic, frustrating delays and excessive tolls just to move your own money. There is a direct route around this bottleneck. By withdrawing your Forex profits straight into a cryptocurrency wallet, you can move your capital outside the traditional banking system entirely. Instead of relying on a central bank to clear your funds, you use a decentralized blockchain network. Because these networks process transfers automatically through a digital public ledger, transactions are confirmed in minutes, not days. These networks operate 24/7, immune to bank holidays or weekend closures or localized capital controls. You can access your money at 2 in the morning on a Sunday from anywhere with an internet connection. Cryptocurrency serves as a high-speed, zero-friction transport layer. It allows you to retain maximum profit and maintain total autonomy over your wealth. To use this method, you have to take on the role of the bank yourself. That starts with setting up a personal crypto wallet, a secure digital address where your funds will live. You generally have 2 options. Software wallets, often called hot wallets because they are connected to the internet, they offer convenience for frequent, smaller withdrawals. Hardware, or cold wallets, are physical offline devices that provide the highest level of security for storing larger profits. Because there is no customer service hotline to call if things go wrong, true financial ownership requires you to manage your own digital security protocols. USDT travels on isolated blockchain networks. Ethereum's ERC20 network is highly secure, but has high transaction fees. Tron's TRC20 network is an express lane with faster execution and microscopic costs. But if you mix them up, your money is permanently lost. The advantages of speed and low costs depend entirely on your own diligence in selecting the correct network. Executing the transfer starts in your broker's withdrawal portal. You'll select your cryptocurrency and then explicitly choose the network from the drop-down menu, ensuring it exactly matches your receiving wallet. Next, you open your personal crypto wallet, hit Receive, and generate your specific wallet address for that exact network. Then you copy that long string of characters. Before you paste and hit Confirm on the broker site, you must visually verify the first 4 and the last 4 characters of that address. One wrong letter means the funds disappear. If you are moving a large sum for the first time, always send a small test amount first, like $20. It is a simple way to verify the digital pathway is functional before routing the rest of your capital. By applying a rigid, methodical verification protocol every single time, you effectively neutralize the inherent risks of decentralized finance. Once the blockchain confirms the transaction, the funds arrive in your wallet. The capital has left the broker's ecosystem, placing it under your absolute control. This diagram shows 3 common paths for your capital. Once it reaches your wallet, you can hold the digital asset, send it to an exchange to convert it into your local currency, or reinvest it directly into decentralized finance protocols. Moving money through crypto does not make it invisible to the government. In most jurisdictions, Forex profits withdrawn as crypto remain fully taxable property. Bypassing the friction of traditional bank infrastructure does not give you a pass on your legal obligations. Retaining your wealth demands mature, compliant financial management. Mastering crypto withdrawals means you no longer have to rely on third-party banking schedules. It gives you borderless control over your own profit timeline. This financial flexibility is reserved for traders who are willing to learn technical protocols and prioritize their own security. Modern trading success is measured by your ability to generate a profit on the charts, but it's defined by the efficiency and security with which you can extract that capital. Modernize your profit management. Head over to FXNX to experience next-generation trading execution with zero pip spreads and take full control of your financial future today.